2020 election may be a year away, but there's a push now to get not just candidates, but a question on the ballot.
Yeah, one specific question asking whether a term limit should be set for the Honolulu prosecuting attorney. Kimberly Speakman has more in tonight's top story. Kimberly?
Bridget Howard, a similar question was asked during the last election, but it was voted down. However, a city council member says it's something that's needed after the recent federal investigations involving the prosecutor's office.
Right now, there's no limit to how many terms the city prosecutor can serve. Council member Ron Menor wants to change that to 2 consecutive 4-year terms, like the mayor and city council members.
I think there's a desire on the part of the public to ensure that abuses of power and corruption do not occur again in the office of the prosecuting attorney. And so, given the fact that the proposed charter amendment is intended to implement a safeguard to prevent corruption and misconduct from happening again.
Since the city prosecutor became an elected position in 1981, only 3 people have served. Peter Carlisle has had the longest consecutive run at 13 years, but current prosecutor Keith Kaneshiro has held the office the longest. At the end of his term, he will have held the position for 18 years.
A new prosecuting attorney and a new leadership team could bring not only fresh ideas and energy to that office, but also perhaps a renewed commitment to serving the public interest.
But Dr. John Hart says the prosecuting attorney's main job is to carry out the law, not to create it like lawmakers.
People argue this should be a non-political office. They shouldn't have to deal with politics and personalities. It should just be about the law.
However, he says if there is a vote, he believes people will lean toward setting a term limit.
I think they are going to be particularly supportive of the term limits for the prosecuting attorney, given 2 factors. Number 1, the fact that the last prosecuting attorney is under a cloud. Number 2, that we've had only 2 prosecuting attorneys in 30 years.
The city council has to pass Menor's resolution before the question can be on the ballot. If the majority of voters vote yes, the term limits will automatically be put in place. Bridget?